change the channel. So I clicked the control, nothing happened. And I clicked it again, nothing happened. So I opened the thing, checked the batteries. They seemed to be alright, so anyway, I took the batteries out, I have a battery checker. So I checked that battery and a bunch of other batteries I had, they're all good. I put 2 new batteries in that. Nothing happened.
I got Peggy reading.
So, I mean, this is stupidity.
Well, it's a
So
Oh, this is nice.
Okay, ladies, smile. I got Pat. Come on, Jerry.
Don't smile.
I'm trying. I can't do my. I can't do 2 things at once.
to reboot the cable box, I had to get on my hands and knees on the floor, on tile.
Here it comes.
And